Concepts that can be clearly defined by a set of rules are A. Imagery concept, B. Artificial concept, C. Natural concept, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Natural concept. Mental set is measured by A. Luchin's water jars, B. With small sticks, C. Luchin's silver jars, D. None of these. The correct answer is Luchin's water jars, which is a experiment in which subjects are asked to solve a series of water jar problems. It is an experiment which is used to measure the mental set. Number 3, learning concepts is a kind of problem solving. In general, 4 strategies can be applied in acquiring complex concepts of these. Which is the best practical approach? A. Simultaneous, B. Scanning, C. Conservative focusing, or D. Focus gambling. The correct option is C. Conservative focusing. Number 4, mental categories for objects that are similar to one another in some respect is called A. Concept, B. Images, C. Real concept, D. None of these. The correct option is A. Concept. Who authored the book Human Groups? A. J.J. Anjaria, B. G.C. Homanas, C. R.F. Bales, D. Yogesh Atal. The correct option is B. G.C. Homans. Who drafted the book Group Prejudice and Social Distance? A. J.J. Anjaria, B. C. Nanavati, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct option is both A and B, J.J. Anjaria and C. Nanavati. Who authored the book Indian Society from Where to Where? A. Yogesh Atal, B. Sridhar Ganesh, C. H.M. Sarabhai, D. R. Melcott. Correct option is A. Yogesh Atal. In teamwork, individuals tend to put in less individual effort. This is known as A. Being social slob, B. Social laziness, C. Social loafing, D. Laziness. The correct option is C. Social loafing. If TA groups are successful, here TA means transactional analysis, group members will learn about themselves through analysis of all of the following except A. Structure, B. Self-talk, C. Games, D. Transaction. The correct option is B. Self-talk. It has all the features such as structure, games, transactions, but not self-talk. Gestalt therapy is an experimental and humanistic approach to change that focuses on working with client. A. Deficits, B. Awareness, C. Self-esteem, D. Needs. Correct option is B. Awareness. Gestalt therapy focuses on increasing the awareness of the client. The client who works to work in Gestalt groups is in the A. Empty chair, B. Hot seat, C. Facilitator role, or D. Director position. Correct option is B. Hot seat. Team building involves A. Recognizing active members of the team, B. Recognizing those members who contribute for the growth of the team, recognizing all the members of the team. Number D. Recognizing knowledgeable members of the team. The correct option is that team building involves recognizing all the members of the team. There is no differentiation. Next question, which one is not the approach of group-wise practice? A. Therapeutic, B. Developmental, C. Task-oriented, C. Ornamental. The correct option is ornamental. All the approaches are for the group-wise practice, which is therapeutic, developmental, task-oriented, but not ornamental. Next question, service rendered voluntarily by an individual or group to another individual or a group is called as A. Professional social work, B. Social development services, C. Social service, D. Social reform. The correct option is C. Social service. Next question, identify the correct sequence of the stages of group development. The correct option will be orientation, then resistance, then negotiation. then intimacy, and then termination. The correct option is B. In social group work, the principal instrument of change is A. Organization of program, B. Leadership development, C. Guided group interactions, and D. None of these. The correct option is organization of program. Number 6. Assertion reason question. The assertion is that the basic theme of self-help group is you are not alone. And the reasoning is that being member of self-help group Rekha, a widow, is alone. So the correct option is both A and R are false. Here the assertion is that the basic theme of self-help group is you are not alone. This is not the basic theme of self-help group. First of all, this is false. And then there is a reasoning given, which is that by becoming a member of self-help group, a person called Rekha, who is a widow, is alone. So this is not the reason for coming to a self-help group. So the whole assertion and the reasoning given here is false. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is not a principle of group work? A. Progressive program experience, B. Specific objectives, C. Group experiment planning, or D. Continuous evaluation. The correct option is group experiment planning. Group work is not about any experiment of sorts or any. It needs to have a proper planning, it needs to have a experienced facilitator, it needs to have specific objectives, and also need to have a continuous evaluation. So the correct option is group experiment planning, which is not a principle of group work. Next question, which of the following is not a principle of group work? A. Recognition of unique differences of each individual. Yes, this is a correct principle which is followed in group work. B. Appropriate modification of group process. Yes, we need to modify the group process as it requires. So this is also a principle of group work. C. Enabling group members to involve themselves in the process of problem solving. This is also essential for group members to know each other and involve themselves better. And D. Principle of indifferent attitudes toward members. This is not a principle of group work. So indifferent attitudes towards members is not accepted as a principle of group. Who is the author of the book Social Group Work, A Helping Process? A. Wilson G. and Ryland, B. Trecker H.P., C. Phillips H.U., D. Konopka G. The correct option is D. Konopka G. The major principles of social group work are A. Progressive program experience, guiding group interaction, specific objectives, and evaluation. So this is the correct option out of the 4 because this has all the major components which are considered the major principles of social group work. Next question, Wilson and Ryland wrote the book A. Social group work, B. Social work with groups, C. Group work practice, or D. Social group work practice. The correct option is social group work practice.